Hi, I'm Ryan Jin. Parse is a very powerful and popular backend service for developers. But if you're new to this, you might face some problems. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the potential problems you might face. So this is a brand new Parse starter project. I'm going to be using Swift. So let's open this Xcode project. And you'll be greeted with this screen probably. So let's head down to the Parse starter project. You have the app delegate, view controller, and main.storyboard. And if you look carefully at the app.delegate.swift file, you'll see that Parse has actually written some code for you. So let's run it now and see how it performs.
Build started.
Note that I haven't done anything to this project yet. So it's starting. Oh, we got an error. That's interesting. So basically what the error is this line, parse.set application ID. You haven't set your application ID so that Parse does not know what place in its database to store your data. So to solve this problem, we need our application ID and the client key. Where to get that? Well, one place to get it is in your download page. So when you download the Xcode project, you'll be greeted with this page. And if you scroll down, you'll see connect your app to Parse thing. And make sure it's selected on the right app. And highlight parse.set application ID, blah, blah, blah. Copy, paste it. Don't copy mine because yours definitely going to be different from mine. So this is the parse.set application ID part. And if you accidentally close this page, don't worry. Go to new tab, go to www.parse.com/apps. So in this page, you'll see of your Parse apps you created. So this is the app that I showed you. So to get the application ID and the client key, go to this gear icon and click on settings. And in here, in the settings page, there are some options on the left. Go to keys, and you'll see this application ID and client key thing. So yours will be like this. To set application ID, just click on this copy, and then better uncomment it this first, and select this part, and command V. Oops. Okay, and the client key, excuse me, is the same. So this should be exactly the same as this, if you look carefully. Except that the client key has moved to here. So this is the first part, maybe the first problem you'll meet. And then we have some warnings. Let's see. So the first warning is update to recommended settings. You can just let Xcode update this. Not a big deal. The second warning, the launch image has the launch image has 2 unassigned children. So it's this image set has 2 unassigned children. What are those pictures? There's nothing here. So I'm not exactly sure what these images do, but I have deleted this and there's no problem. So let me select these two and remove selected items. And that should get rid of the error. Has it deleted yet? Okay. And then let's run it again.
Build started.
and see what happens. So now this warning is gone, as you can see. Okay, that's interesting. The screen is so small. Let me just show you what normal application will look like on a simulator. So for example, I'm in this health app. I'll fill the full screen. But this Parse application is like this. That's weird. So if you look carefully at the Parse Starter project folder, you'll realize that there isn't a launch image file or a launch screen file. So what we need to do, actually let me explain why it behaves like this first. So because you don't have a launch screen, Xcode doesn't really know what device this is. So I'll just pick, I think it's 4S or 5. I think they're the same screen, so Xcode will automatically pick a smaller screen size for your app. So to fix this, we have to create a launch screen file. Just go to Parse Starter Project, right-click, New File, and make sure it's under iOS, User Interface, and Launch Screen. Let's hit Next. I'll name it Launch Screen, and I'll put it in here with the others. Okay, so that's the launch screen, as we're all familiar with. And we have to include that launch screen in our Parse Starter project file. So let me go down, go to Build Settings. Wait, it's not in Build Settings. Go to Info and go to Targets. And go down here. You can see App Icons and Launch Images. So we have this app icon, launch image, and we need launch screen. And select the new launch screen, the storyboard file we just created. So that'll fix the problem, and let's run our app.
Build started.
Here we go. So just in case you didn't see it, let me run again.
Build started.
Okay. Sorry, that's my cat. See, it's full screen now. So these are some common problems you might meet. Actually, I just figured out the solution about an hour ago for the launch screen problem. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.